You ever had to trick your baby into eating something he didn't want to eat to begin with? Well, this is how it started. But at the end, he gave in. They always do.
So my baby just turned 1 year old and he think he's grown. He's into that phase where he's trying things, and if he doesn't like it, he won't try it again. There's way too many baby food in this house that we need to get rid of, and he's gonna eat this, whether he knows this or not. When I do make these baby pancakes, I always try to use baby food that's fruity. It tastes way better mixed with the pancake mix. As you guys can see, all I'm doing is dumping the containers of baby food that I did open into my mixing bowl. It's perfectly fine to mix different flavors as long as you're using the sweet ones. You don't have to follow me, but in this video I'm using the pumpkin spice. That's what I had. You can use the baby cereal or the baby oatmeal. It works just the same. I also try to make enough to last maybe 3 days. Whatever I don't use that day, I put the rest in the freezer for another day. I added just a tiny bit of this cooking spray just so the pancakes wouldn't stick to the pan. This is how the pancakes look when I'm done with it. It's still pretty soft, but I'm still gonna break it up into a few pieces so he won't choke. It looks like he approves of these pancakes. He liked them so much that he ate them all. As I mentioned before, the rest of these pancakes are gonna go in the freezer until the next day that I decide to give it to him for breakfast. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you don't want to miss any more videos, go ahead and subscribe. If you like what you see, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you have a question, leave a comment down below. See you in my next video.